Starting a SaaS sounds expensive. Everyone tells you to learn Python or hire a dev. They're wrong. Coding is actually the slowest way to validate a business in 2024. I've helped numerous founders launch their SaaS with zero coding. My expertise is in no-code tools and business automation. I've worked with tools like Bubble, Webflow, and ConvertKit. Today, I'll show you how to build and validate your SaaS for $0 using only free-tier no-code tools. You'll learn how to use the best CRM, project management tools, and business automation software, all for free. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to launch your SaaS without breaking the bank. No coding required. Let's get started. Starting a SaaS business sounds exciting, but the cost can be overwhelming. You've got developers to hire, code to write, and infrastructure to set up. It's like everyone's telling you to break the bank before you even validate your idea. Coding is actually the slowest way to validate a business in 2024. You could spend months learning to code or hiring a dev, only to find out your business isn't viable. And let's be real, who's got the time and money to throw around? Aspiring solopreneurs and technical founders are left feeling stuck, like they'll never get their business off the ground. But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to build and validate your SaaS business without spending a dime. No code, no hassle, just pure business growth. You can use free-tier no-code tools to get started, like Bubble for web development, Webflow for design, ConvertKit for marketing automation, and Taliso for forms and surveys. These tools can help you build a minimum viable product, test your idea, and get feedback from potential customers. So, are you ready to stop coding and start building your SaaS business for $0? The secret isn't having $1 million in seed funding or a CS degree from Stanford. It's leveraging what I call the free-tier stack. Most founders fail because they spend 6 months building a product nobody wants. They over-engineer the backend before they've even found a single customer. We're flipping the script. The goal isn't to build a perfect app. It's to build a validated business. Step 1, the front door. You need a professional presence. Use Webflow. Their free tier lets you build a high-converting landing page that looks like it cost $5,000 to design. Don't get bogged down in a 20-page site. One page. One clear value proposition. One call to action. But a landing page is just a brochure. You need to capture intent. This is where Taliso comes in. It's like Typeform, but the free tier is actually generous. Use Tally to build your onboarding survey or your waitlist sign-up. This is your first data point. Are people actually interested in the problem you're solving? Now we move to the engine. This is where most people panic and think they need a developer. You don't. You need Bubble. Bubble is the gold standard for no-code SaaS. It handles the 3 things every SaaS needs: a database, user authentication, and logic. You aren't writing JavaScript, you're building workflows. When user clicks X, then do Y. It's visual. It's fast. And it allows you to ship a functional MVP in days, not months. But a tool is useless if no one knows it exists. You need a distribution engine. Use ConvertKit to manage your early adopters. Don't just collect emails, build a relationship. Send a weekly update. Share the build process. Turn your first 100 users into a community that feels ownership over your product. Here is the mindset shift. You aren't building software. You're building a business. Software is just the delivery mechanism. By using this $0 stack, you remove the biggest risk in entrepreneurship, wasting time and money on something the market doesn't want. Once you have 10 paying customers, that's when you upgrade your plans. That's when you hire the dev to optimize the code. But until then, stay lean, stay free, and stop coding. Now let's talk tools. To build this for $0, I recommend Bubble for your app logic and Webflow for your landing page. They both have incredible free tiers that let you launch without spending a dime. For lead capture, use Taliso. It's the gold standard for free forms, and ConvertKit to automate your email sequence. I've put the direct links to all these tools in the description below. Using this exact stack, I've seen founders go from a blank page to their first 10 paying customers in under 14 days. No developers, no venture capital, just pure validation. If you're tired of overthinking and ready to actually build, click those links and start your $0 launch today. Stop waiting for funding. Start building.